What's up, guys? Welcome back to Render Reboot, where we help you stop chasing realism and start creating it. Every tutorial on this channel is designed to help you create better architectural visualizations with confidence. Today, I'll show you how I took an old Twinmotion rendering and brought it to life with AI using Kling 03 Pro. You'll see the exact prompt, the workflow, and the settings I use to turn a static render into a realistic animation. Let's jump right in. Okay, so we are in Twinmotion 2026.1, and I just kind of want to show you quickly the scene itself and some of the assets that we used. And these assets did come from Sketchfab. Go to the library, you can find that in Sketchfab. So this is an old 3D rendering that I did in Twinmotion 2025.2, I believe. And I think it came out pretty well. But now that we are in the latest Twinmotion, let's make a few adjustments before we actually go into turning this into an animation. So I've already created my image here, and as you can see, I do have the soccer player wallpaper missing. I wasn't able to find that just because I've done this rendering a long time ago, but that's okay because this is strictly just trying to show you how to do the animation. But we will go through some of the settings just so you can see the HDRI that we used, and go to camera. So for the camera, I did use film back here. I just made some adjustments to it just because I wanted to see what adjustments um, that we can make in the newer version of Twinmotion and see if it actually changed the rendering some. So I will go to Path Tracer, Details. We can increase the samples per pixel. Let's change the max bounces. And I think that this looks pretty good. Just trying to change a couple things. Let's go to FX, and so here, let's enhance our clarity and our sharpness. Let's bring our sharpness down just a little bit. Okay, so this is the static image. Path Tracer is doing this thing, and what we're going to do is I'm going to create a prompt. So stick around. Don't forget to hit the like button for me, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so now we are in Google Docs, and this is the prompt that I use to create the animation. So right now I've called it Kling 03 Pro Kling AI, and the idea was to create an animation that told a little bit of a story. And it was supposed to be a little boy walking into his room and sitting at his desk, and just kind of showing the movement of what's happening inside that rendering, as far as the window, the sun coming in, and him actually embodying that space. So here, I actually inserted my rendering into ChatGPT, and I told ChatGPT to give me a prompt that I could use to help tell that story. And it came up with a photorealistic modern child's bedroom and gaming workspace during the golden hour. A realistic boy, approximately 9 years old, is already seated and comfortably at the desk in front of the computer. He's naturally writing in a notebook with a pencil, occasionally looking down at the page and then back up toward the monitor. So ChatGPT added a lot of detail to the prompt and also the camera performance, and you can kind of read through the details there. And it also came up with a negative prompt. So another thing that I wanted this animation to look very realistic as possible. I didn't want the uh, kid to look too big, out of scale, and I didn't want to get any type of deformity or low quality or blurry textures or any type of graphic issues that will take place that will destroy the animation. So that's why the negative prompt is there. So it came out pretty good. And we're gonna go into Kling AI. So stick around to the end so you can actually see the final results. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a Render Reboot tutorial. If you're looking to speed up your workflow, be sure to check out renderreboot.com for downloadable 3D scenes, ArchViz resources, and more. Let's get right back to it. Okay, so now we are in Kling AI, and just kind of showing you my first iteration was where the kid didn't even come into the scene. It was just changing the monitor, and you can kind of see a little bit of the monitor making some changes. So it was a very easy model that I used, and I actually used this model, Halo 2.3. But to drag down to the actual scene that we're actually looking for is this one. So this one came out pretty well. This was the actual prompt that you saw previously, and it really brought out my static rendering and turned it into a true story. So I was really happy with the results with this one. And just to kind of back up just a little bit, one of the things that you have to do is when you have your prompt, you describe your video and you put your prompt there, and you will go here to search the models, and you can scroll down and you can find the model that I use, which was Kling 03 Pro, or test all the other ones. You can change the frames, you can start the frame, you can add more frames, you can also change the resolution as well, and you can change the duration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. For downloadable 3D scenes and more ArchViz resources, visit renderreboot.com. Until the next time, stop chasing realism, start creating it. Restart, reset, render. I'll see you guys in the next one.